Okay. Do you have any like yellow eyeshadow? Anything
no.
yellow?
Only this goldish color.
Every time I do like colored eyeshadow, I have to prime my eyelids. Just
What do you mean colored eyeshadow? All eyeshadows are colored.
I'm gonna take your Huda Beauty pink
Ambil.
Jangan ambil lah.
Ambil lah. Jangan kacau aku.
Candy Carnival macam you want like colourful colours, like
Yeah.
fun and bright colours, but
The choices of eyeshadows that we
have here is like warm colours,
Yeah.
like fall.
I know a little bit.
Okay, we look alike anyway.
Yeah, we'll be twinsies.
Buat makeup ni takes a lot of effort and time, guys.
If I macam betul-betul teliti when doing my makeup, I take up to 2 hours. Sometimes I berdiri and I'm like, oh my god, kenapa my feet feels like macam dah kebas dah.
Sometimes
I've been standing for 2 hours.
Sometimes I didn't even realize that it's been 2 hours
Yeah,
dah.
that's why.
But maybe because we have to look good kot kalau macam pergi events or like to take pictures. Kalau tak, I pergi kerja like
Yeah, actually kalau
whatever.
normal days, biasa je. We don't wear this like on a daily basis.
Nah.
Penat lah.
Okay, I can start on my eyeliners. Where's my eyeliner?
Feels good to be a gangster.
Oh, makcik kau makeup. You paling fokus buat apa?
Mascara or like liner ke.
I paling fokus buat my brows. Wearing lashes is actually so hard.
Yeah,
Somehow.
I struggle.
Oh my god, ada payung atas ni.
Okay, and then I like to make my eyes look bigger by coloring my waterline white. Okay lah. Halai.
Halal toiban.
No, I want something pink. Do you have pink lipstick? I have like, I brought everything nude.
I don't think so.
No.
I have a nude pink. Not candy enough.
Okay lah.
I'm almost done.
I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter because that's my signature look. Glitters.
I'm gonna go with waterline. If you have small eyes, guna waterline color nude, like it really helps to open up your eyes. I am done. Wait, my
Your
lipstick.
lips. You sound like a chicken.
Do I look candy enough? I'm gonna blend up. Like, don't you guys know ombre is trending? Dah lama lah trending, hanya.
Letak blusher lebih sikit because it's candy. Don't know how that relates, but I think candy still needs more blusher. Nampak macam dolly. Very doll-ish. Oh.
So I'm gonna try using this. So you boleh pakai your earrings dekat your inner je.
I'm gonna make this bawal into kind of gonna look like a shawl. Jadi labu gitu.
Maybe like this because you want to nampakkan the earrings.
Okay dah, tu je my candy look.
Oh, you look like a candy. I'm a bubble gum. You
Blueberry bubble gum.
tak. Grape gum. What is it called? I'm gonna smoky-kan my eyes.
I think that's the best way to go about it. Basically, I'm just gonna darken everything that I already have.
Yeah, basically that's what we're doing.
And we gon' blend.
Nah, ingat tak like we have the event yang on the same day. Satu event is
together.
metal or glitter punya event. So the theme is like macam metallic.
Yeah,
or like,
metallic.
and lagi satu is like pastel. So I was like, wait, how do like after this event nak pergi this event like?
We did like a compromise, right?
Yeah.
Somewhat in between.
So what I did was I managed to find seluar yang metallic and I pakai yang lain semua pastel. So macam we gabung kan. And And metallic colours and pastel macam like it's not a weird combination. Macam boleh plan, no rush.
True. But to me, everything is limited because I live in Penang and all of my events are in KL. So apa yang I bawa memang tu je lah yang ada. I don't always do smoky eyes, so this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I like to look demure, very ladylike. I love how my lipstick and my whole makeup look really matches my...
Oh my god, you look so gothic.
See how a lipstick can really change your whole makeup look?
So macam tadi kan you dah pakai macam like glamour kan. So malam you just want to be comfy. Your makeup dah tebal.
This is also my go-to look. I also like the fact that when I buat macam ni, the whole of my eyebrows you can see. Kalau selalunya kalau pakai biasa tu dia macam cover my eyebrows over here. So now you can see. You're in doubt, you can totally match your makeup with your tudung.
So I just wrap it around. So this is basically it. And then yang terkeluar-keluar ni kan, you can just like pull from the inside. So this is my go-to simple look.
This is my almost pretty much everyday look also. This I'm wearing right now. I feel like dia macam sesuai untuk all occasions basically. And yeah, also because they cover in front and also the back. So.
Mine is biasa je lah. This one you can adjust like if you want to make it short so you can tarik. Kalau tak you boleh labuhkan dia. So
that depends on the baju that you wear. So I think some baju macam you have some embellishments that you maybe want to
I memang pakai labuh just nak cover air gemuk. This is how gothic we look. From candy to gothic. Senang je. Say baca.